Guess what? It's present day. Hey everyone, Cristin Som here, and oh my gosh, it's our last present day for the Cuties project from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. If you haven't been working on this with me, I highly recommend it. This is the last one. We're going to do the December Cuties. I will add a link here. This is our affiliate link for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop so that you can order your own present day. You can get your package of the fabric kit for the December Cuties. So let's see what's in this one. Oh, look at all the red and greens. Of course, we expected red and greens, right, for this one for December. And look at it, it's got a whole tube of the glitter vinyl sheet. That's pretty fun. So red and green fabrics and some dotted fabrics. And so we're going to start on the December Cuties pretty soon. Oh my gosh, it's already almost Thanksgiving. It's very, very close. But we generally work on these the last week of every month. Oh, there's some red stripe fabric in here too. Let me show you that. I think that's for the corners, and the gray and the white with lots of different red dots, and a silky solid and green silky solid too. This will be really pretty. I'm excited for this one. I saw the trees. Here's a cute little picture that comes in your fabric kit from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So order your fabric kit. They also have a thread kit if you decide you want to get that as well. But like I said, it's our last one. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. So we generally work on it the last week of the month. This one actually, I'm going to do my best. I mean, we've got Thanksgiving, we're finishing up our current project, and we have our last Cuties. So I know a lot of people have family in town and traveling and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to do my absolute best, but it may not be ready by December 1st, but I will certainly try. But make sure to order your fabric kit. Let me get you a coupon code. Hold on. Sorry about that. All right, our coupon code for December is DECCRISTINCUTIE. So December, the first three letters of December, and then Cristin Cutie. And that, again, is through our sponsor for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So get your fabric kit and we'll get started soon. I know we've got a lot going on right now, but it's our last one, and it's so pretty with those Christmas trees and the sparkling glitter vinyl. This will be fun. All right, so get your products ordered so that we can get started. And my shirt today, this is a really cute one. This is a gingerbread couple with hearts. Isn't that so cute? Especially for Christmas, because we're going to be working on our Christmas Cuties. So I put my Christmas shirt on. So this one was from Itch to Stitch. It's probably available now from Designs by Juju, because Designs by Juju bought, if not all of their designs, most of the designs from Itch to Stitch. So if I can find it on the Designs by Juju website, I will add a link for you underneath this video. The shirt is from Amazon. It's a really nice one. I really like this one. I have it in lots of different colors. So I will add information on that too. In fact, I'll add a link here if you decide you want to buy the shirt to be able to embroider on. All right, so fun design, really cute Christmas design. I love gingerbread. It's my favorite cookie. And for the entire project, so all 12 months, I had a goal for the Cuties. So what was your goal during this entire project? Mine was building strength. I worked really hard all year on building strength. I have to tell you, I've done nothing on that this week because I've been pretty sick and trying to be careful. But actually, I did go climb Table Rock twice this week. But I felt pretty good, but I just had no voice whatsoever. And now it's come back, but now it came with coughing as well. But anyway, that was my goal, is to build strength. So I did do some good hikes that are like climbing up this monster mountain. So I did do that. How are you doing with your goals? Hey everyone, now that we are in the July through December book of our Cuties table toppers, I just want to show you quickly all the information that is underneath the video, since our other one is from last December. So open up any web browser and go to Cristin Creates on YouTube. From there, you can see all the videos. And I also want to point out, here's the playlist tab. And the playlist tab makes it so that you can see all of the certain projects that we have worked on. All right, any project that you're looking for a tutorial on, look in here for the specific project, including the Embrilliance Essentials tutorials. If you click on View Full Playlist down here at the bottom, a lot of people that are new to Embrilliance, we have a ton, like what is it, 114 videos. So if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can see the newer videos when we were just learning ourselves. And it also has information on how to do the wording and to move things around and how to import your files to Embrilliance for the fonts and such. So all of that information. So back to the Cristin Creates page. So right here, you can open up any video. So let's look for one that is from our Cuties. So here's our last Cuties when we did the ending of the June. So if you just click on one of the Cuties videos, and like I said, you can also do it from the playlist. Either way will work fine. But from here, underneath the video, so it's running an ad right here, and it will look a little different because I'm the owner of it. You won't have all of this information, but underneath the video, it's going to, let's see, right here. Oh, it's still running. This is a long ad, my goodness. So underneath the video, you can see that it says, click here to see links below the video. And then it starts to say, join the fun in our group project. And there's the video right here. I'm on a computer. So when I say under the video, I just mean under the video, right under here on a computer. On a phone, it's there's like an arrow on the right, I believe, and you click that and it has all the video description. So it's called a video description under the video. And so right here, see, it starts to tell you about the stuff that's under the video, and then it says show more. So click show more and look at all the information that I have included under every video for you. All right, it has all of the links. It has the information about upcoming projects. It has our current affiliate link for our sponsor for our Cuties project. It has our coupon code and where to get the quilting bundle. All of that information. And then other supplies that people ask me about of like the packets to organize your fabrics. All of that information is right below there. It's also got our affiliate link for Embrilliance Essentials. I am an affiliate with Embrilliance Essentials, and I'm teaching a lot of Embrilliance on most every video. And then next up, we have what's coming up next, which is our Falling for Autumn. And the glide thread colors are always listed. All the information. I also include information about my shirts. I'm not wearing an embroidered shirt at the moment, but when I do, I include that information because I get a lot of questions about that. So all this information is under the video. So whenever I say under the video, it's literally just click that show more button and you'll see underneath the video all the information. All right, and then if you are in the market for Embrilliance Essentials, I'm going to be showing that a lot. So here's the Embrilliance Essentials link right here. Click on that blue link. It brings you to Embrilliance Essentials, and what it brings you to Embrilliance. And the program that I use is Essentials, the basic one. So right here, Product Essentials, or you can get it from the store. Either one of these goes to the same. It will take you to Embrilliance Essentials. You add it to your cart. There's no other information that you need to do. You just need to click on my link that is underneath the video, or add it in yourself. Either way, it's embrilliance.com/jam-affiliates/Cristin Creates. And that will put a little cookie on your computer saying that you are supporting Cristin Creates with your purchase. And you can get any of the items here. If you're into digitizing, you can do Stitch Artist. The Enthusiast program is the next one after Essentials that has a little bit more abilities. And that Thumbnailer, a lot of people love Thumbnailer. I haven't tried that yet, but that's here as well. So Lots of things there underneath the video, all of those links. And when you go to our link for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop right here, this blue hyperlink, you click on that and it brings you to their website. And same thing, it puts a little cookie on your computer. It doesn't actually take you to the product. So you would just go to the search bar and type in Cuties or Cuties 2 or whatever you're looking for our project, and see right there is our July kit that we're going to be starting soon. So this video just shows you how to find those links that are underneath every video. I hope this helps.